In this tip of the day, let's take a look at how we can exclude faces when performing the Z-level finish machining operation. Now, why would we want to do this? Well, the Z-level finish machining operation is really intended for faces or surfaces that are more straight up and down than flat. So when applying the toolpath to this part, we might want OneCNC to ignore this face here because it's more flat. Then we can come back later with a more suitable machining operation to machine this face. So how do we do this? How do we tell OneCNC to exclude a face? Well, if we take a look within the NC Manager, you can see that I've already performed a Z-level finish machining operation. I'm going to quickly edit this by right-clicking, select Edit Operation, and from within the dialog boxes, we're going to push all the way forward until we get to here. There's an option called Pick Faces to Avoid. I'm going to select that, click Next, 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 and Finish. I don't need to repick the boundary I had selected earlier, so I'm going to select No to this. But now I have the opportunity to select the faces I'd like to ignore. I'm going to select that face, right-hand mouse click, and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And if you look close, you can see how OneCNC has pulled the tool away from that face. Now we can come back with a separate machining operation to machine that face. Let's take a look at what this looks like within the toolpath simulator. We're going to right-hand mouse click, select Simulate Rest. I'll use the solid model I created earlier for the stock, so we'll click OK to that. All right, so here's our roughing operation. All right, here's our Z-level finish operation, and notice how it's excluding the face we selected. And then what we'll do is we'll use the exact same tool, come back with a different machining operation to machine that face. And that's what you're seeing right here. All right, so within OneCNC, you have the powerful ability to exclude faces when using the Z-level finish machining operation. That's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.